Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of boring and uncomfortable rugs in your home? Well, I've got a game changer for you. The Luul Home Easy Jute Rugs 8x10 natural color is a total winner. This premium area rug is made from 100% polypropylene pile, which gives it an incredibly soft and comfy feel under your feet. One of the things I love about this rug is that it's usable everywhere, from your porch to your dining room, and even outdoors on your deck or patio. It's perfect for adding some style and comfort to any room. It's also super easy to maintain. Just imagine being able to clean it with a hose or a vacuum. It's that simple, and the best part is that it's stain resistant and non-shedding, so you don't have to worry about it getting all messy. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product and it's well reviewed, which is no surprise given its many benefits. The rug is also perfect for kids and pets. Its 0.3-inch thick pile is gentle on their skin and it's odor-free, so you don't have to worry about any nasty smells. I've used this rug in my living room and it's been a total lifesaver. My kids can play on it without me worrying about them getting hurt, and my pets can lie on it without leaving any stains or odors behind. The texture is so soft and plush, and the natural color is just perfect. It adds a warm and cozy feel to the room. Overall, I would highly recommend the Luul Home Easy Jute Rugs 8x10 natural color to anyone looking for a comfortable and stylish area rug. It's definitely worth considering, and I think you'll love it just as much as I do. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.